Everyone, in this movie, just going to show you how to enter the information we need for progress reports. The next set of progress reports coming up in term 3. So we're talking about adding a comment and also the attitude ticks for the reports. Start off in the same place we did before by going into Markbook. I'm going to go into a Markbook of a drama class, Matt's drama class. Hope that's okay, Matt. And that's the one I've been using to test. So this is a drama class that happened in term 1. We're wanting to add the comment in and the ticks. Takes you to, firstly, this comments should be highlighted at the top, and you can see that that's basically where we write a comment for the student, like so. Simple as that. You also notice the red number 14 there just shows I haven't quite reached our recommended minimum, which is 300 characters. There is also a limit of 1,000 characters as a maximum. So you can just scroll down there, and as you do, it will bring up this this field here that or window just asks you to check that you've got the right report design, which is our progress report for term 3. So that's fine. You can just keep going. And add your comments down there. To add the slightly complicated part is that now to add the attitude ticks that we had before on the same screen in the old Kamar is now a separate screen. It's up under marks. So you need to go to marks, a bit like where you add your test results and those sorts of things. And on the far right hand side there is this Y. That Markbook contains or is the place that you're adding the ticks. So I'm going to select the attitudes for term 3, which is our progress report. And you'll see now it looks a little bit like it did before. And you simply go through and add your ticks for each of the students. A bit like a test, with these ticks, for it to appear on the report, the students all need to be entered for each class. So you need to just double check that. If you go back now to where we were adding our comments, you'll see that those attitudes are listed on the right-hand side. So it may be that when you're writing your reports, you want to do the attitudes first, and then you can do your comments afterwards with the attitudes sitting over there on the right-hand side. So that's where we're at this stage. I hope that gives people enough, especially option teachers, enough to actually get your comments in the right place. No doubt there'll be a few questions as we go along, because it is a bit different to what it was before. Cheers.